Sometimes you just need to go to the park and fill your pockets with conkers. Do some breathing, see what's alive. Today I'll be having rain on my red and a spontaneous Goldsworthian ring, and a hat that slips off my ears as I walk, and the smell of leaves dissolving. Oh, the smell of leaves dissolving. And I love how you see new things as the light fades. White Japanese anemones arise like lanterns. See you framed in your darkening garden, rising from a chair, and thought fills your face, illuminated by the fading, illuminated by the fading. Sometimes I get washed away by floods that no one else can see, but I'm adept at grasping branches and continuing the conversation horizontally. And today I'll be having rain on my red and a spontaneous Goldsworthian ring, and a hat that slips off my ears as I walk in the smell of leaves dissolving. Oh, the smell of leaves dissolving. Oh, the smell of leaves dissolving. Sometimes you just need to go to the park and fill your pockets with conkers, and I carry your memory with me, along with all of the conkers.